Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe.
Yes, that guy. We're going to have some bootleg Funyuns.
Yeah, let's go.
This is from Trader Joe's. Sour cream and onion flavored rings. Lentil. See, if you just read it right here, you'll say, that sounds delightful. But then when you get down here, things get dicey. Lentil and rice snacks.
How's that dicey? I mean, come on. And rice. Oh, no.
It's not.
They added rice to it. Man, it's ruined.
Okay. Here it says baked to perfection. All right, so it's not fried. And back here it says on the back, these perfectly poppable mini rings are baked, never fried, and flavored with a classic sour cream and onion seasoning for an addictive, bite-sized, and gluten-free snack.
Sounds good.
I am shocked.
Huh?
Sour cream and onion, two things that this one, I can't believe he's signing off on this.
What do you mean?
Seriously, I thought I was going to have to try this with my oldest, but...
Sour cream and onion isn't that bad.
But look at that look on your face. You look like you're about to throw up. Anyway, here are the nutritional facts. As you can see, if you feel so inclined to eat the whole bag, it's 340 calories there. A serving size, 24 pieces, and feels like it's going to be really, really small.
All right, let's open it.
Okay, let's see. Are you going to be able to do this?
Oh, no way, guys. Yeah, I just opened it in one attempt. You can see right inside.
Okay.
Oh, my. Oh.
The smell of these is enough. You ready to taste these? This is what it looks like. It smells like exactly what I said, sour cream and onion.
Oh, this is horrible.
Like onion powder. Okay.
Let's
try it. Let's try it. Okay. 1 to 4. 1 meaning hard pass. 4 meaning we'll get it. It has the crunch of a Cheeto. It has the taste of sour cream and onion powder. I'll give this a 1. It has a strange aftertaste for me. Kind of yeah. 1.
Okay.
My tongue is not happy with this. I need water.
Personally, I'd give these sour cream and onion rings a 2. They taste fine, but I'm not a big fan of like sour cream and onion flavor. They leave a strange aftertaste. I mean, they're not bad if you really like sour cream and onion, but other than that, I pass. I give them a 2.
I have to say, initially I gave it a 1. No, I'm giving it a 0. No, I call these fake Funyuns. And I don't want to say, they don't taste like Funyuns. I guess because of onion rings made me think of Funyuns, but yeah, no, I'm sorry. Good try. I'm sure for people who are looking for an addictive, bite-sized, and gluten-free snack.
And really love sour cream and onion.
This is going to be up your alley, so. Are we done here?
Yes, we are.
Oh.
If you like this video, subscribe, and if you recognize this logo here, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button, and comment what this logo is. And I might give it a thumbs up.
Alright, that's good. Until next time, everyone.
Thank you for tuning in to a new episode on the Tankmanjoe Diva YouTube channel. Make sure to stay for more content.